So in this video, you'll learn how to download free games on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you want to download free games, it's fairly simple. Just navigate to the Nintendo eShop and then select your user. And then from here, what you want to do is simply scroll to the search section and select it. From here, scroll all the way down until you find this option, filtered search, then select it. And then under filtered search, you want to go to the price range and you want to select it and then choose the option free download. Once you've selected free download, then choose search. And then now you can see all the free games that are available for you to choose from. You can even go a step further by filtering it. So currently it's set to popularity, but if you choose it, we can choose release date newest first or oldest first. And then once you've made your choice, you can just select that option and then it will be filtered the way you want it to. So now you can see all the newest games. And then as you scroll down, the games will become older and older. Bear in mind that there is going to be some DLCs, mostly whenever you're downloading free games. So you can see here, you have this tag labeled downloadable content. That's a DLC. So you will need the main game before you can actually purchase that pack. So if you want to avoid the DLCs, just to look for games that don't have the downloadable content tag. Say for example, Fortnite, it doesn't have that tag. So you can go ahead and download it because it doesn't need anything else. And so that's how you can download free games on your Nintendo Switch 2. You can just go ahead, select it, choose free download, scroll down, select free download, and wait for it to be downloaded onto your Switch. You can go to home and then you can keep track of the download from here once the virtual card has been successfully added to your Switch. So here it's been added, so just select OK. And then you can see it listed right there. And so that's how you can download free games on your Nintendo Switch 2. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.